Good morning, welcome to Morning Outlook. Welcome to the Morning Outlook on Wednesday the 16th of October. So looking at the euro dollar first, and from a daily perspective, well, it's starting to look like it's maybe got some further upside from where we are as expected. Choppy old day yesterday. It's left the week looking a quite a choppy old mess, and we could be just running into some further resistance here at this 1060 area, and well, may roll, but it's the more it sort of taps, it was obviously running into this pivot here for quite some time. Managed to break through that this morning, and well, perhaps there's more upside there. There has been conversations going on that Germany is not going to spend any more money or break its budget rules, but then this morning there's comments here that they made the CDU party said to possibly drop its balanced budget target if the domestic outlook worsens. There you go, I didn't just read that off a piece of paper. Anyway, there we are. So that's possibly given a little bit of cheer there, plus there's more optimistic view at the moment on Brexit, so the combination is maybe helping. But where to now? Well, there is an untouched daily pivot still. Well, no, it was touched on a different system, so nothing from that point of view. So maybe see a continuation. Retracements may give a continuation. I'm just a little bit wary of the fact that it's just running to resistance yet again. The pound, well, talking of optimism, let's see. But for now, looking at the dailies, well, it's broken and closed that daily 200 now, and it looks like it's getting some steam up here. Now, of course, I say of course, but this morning we do have inflation data coming out at 9:30. Well worth just watching for what happens there. Expected is forecast to come in at 1.8. The previous was 1.7. If it drops down a bit more, that would suggest that things aren't doing too well, and it gives more scope for interest rate cuts. We've later on today, whilst I'm on the news page, got core US retail sales, and another important figure there at 1:30. We do have Carney speaking, Bank of England governor speaking much later. I say much later, but at 2, due to participate in a panel discussion at the International Monetary Fund event. So we'll see, may get some volatility. Lots of speakers thereafter through the evening. Right, US speakers mainly, so watch out for Fed volatility, but there is also our Reserve Bank of Australia Deputy Governor speaking. So and Carney once again. So plenty of scope for volatility through the Asian session, through the late or early Asian session, the late US session there. Right, so pound, as I say, looks like it's got the potential to continue. Short term here, well, just putting in an ugly looking bar, which may see a bigger correction. It's already almost back to its daily pivot, and the thing with the pound is still that risk of negative surprises, negative comments coming through on the news system, which could see it drop a couple of 100 points quite quickly. So there lies a significant amount of risk with it still. Okay, dollar yen. Dollar yen, well, it was certainly some further risk off yesterday, pushing up towards its 109.05 area, into its daily 200, looking like it's still got some potential. If we see this risk, it's risk on rather, I should say, not risk off, risk on. People are going for risks, they're trading riskier assets and taking money out of this. So yep, still got some potential for some further upside here. As I said, maybe weekly R1 up there, 109.16. It's in quite a supportive area there, that 109.10. So there's plenty of areas that are points there which may head up their daily R1s up that sort of direction as well. Just watch out for a bit of a choppy morning with it before it goes. It tends to go more cleanly in the afternoons, maybe driven by news. Aussie dollar, well, this is one that's still weakening here, whereas everything else is having showing some signs of some green shoots relatively. Still seeing the Aussie dollar selling off there. Lower highs confirmed through on this 4-hourly session, 2 lower highs running through that. May just be finding better support if all the other markets start or continue to rally. It's got the potential to get up towards its daily pivot, but not looking good. As I say, all the way through. Any these points may be good sell points if it was to get this morning or the afternoon, get back towards that daily pivot. Maybe it'd be a good point to sell into. Canadian dollar, why do I look at this? There you go, it's not doing anything. So that's it for today. I wish you a jolly good day's trading, and I will speak to you in the morning. Bye for now.